You searched how to buy shares of Leifheit AG. Leifheit AG is a German maker of household cleaning and laundry products, listed on Xetra under the ticker LEI.DE, and this video is for educational purposes, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box. Type the ticker LEI.DE and select the Leifheit AG listing that matches the Xetra exchange. Confirm the market and issuer before proceeding. On the asset page, check the company overview in the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Make sure the page shows Leifheit AG and Xetra to avoid selecting the wrong listing. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, and the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.